Wow. Look at that.
So nice.
Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Hey guys, well, I see here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm with a potter. Yes, a potter. People who makes pots from clays. You met him actually. You might have seen him in the agriculture show feature. There's a link in the description below. I promised him I'm gonna come and check on him, and today I'm here. We're gonna have a talk with him to find out what he does and how he does it. And I have a little surprise for you. One of my ardent subscribers is here in Jamaica, and she decided to come along with me. Her name is Bridget. I want to share all of that with you right now. Remember though, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to join us now. Hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification. I do a lot of videos capturing stuff like these. People like him. I call it the real Jamaican, and I don't want to miss any of that. So hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification. That way, you're updated on all my latest videos. Let's go! Alright guys, so this is the clay, the pottery place I call it. Mr. Isaiah's Pottery. Alright, this is his little establishment here. And that is, this person here looks familiar to some of you. Actually not. She is Bridget. Bridget is from
Connecticut.
And Bridget is visiting here. Has been here since what? Last week.
Last Monday the 2nd.
Last Monday the 2nd. Sad she's leaving tomorrow. But Bridget is one of my ardent subscribers, guys, and she reached out to me. She want to come on my next trip. Well, here she is at the Potter, Mr. Isaiah. Love, welcome back. Welcome to Jamaica, my friend.
Thank you.
All right. So that's Mr. Isaiah, and he's gonna tell us a little about what he does and how he does it. All right, that's his wife over there, busy helping out, Miss Isaiah. Miss and Mrs. Isaiah. All right, so we're curious, Mr. Isaiah, gonna tell us a little about what he does. I see some little, what do you call this? Oh Lord, these are some
clay beds.
Clay beds, yes, clay beds. And these are, obviously this is clay.
Right.
Alright?
This is where I prepare my clay.
This is how you prepare your clay for the pot. So I notice it's all of them seem to have a certain level of thickness. Is that's deliberate?
Have a level of
Thickness.
thick. Okay.
Is it?
No.
It does like an inch or so thick?
Not there.
Not directly. Okay.
Wash the clay down there.
Alright, so let's take a look at the wash. Alright, so this is the first process in the clay making process, right?
These are the clay.
Right? Sorry, the clay. Oh, by the way, there's a clay heap up the top here.
Yeah.
We're gonna get to that a little while, but this is the clay.
This is the clay in the bag. I have to put it in this pan. Wash it out.
Wash the clay.
Yep.
So
Those are this what you get out of it.
So over here is the residue.
Yeah.
The dump that you throw away. Okay, and this is what you watch it. So this is clay inside here.
Yep.
So show me something, man. You get your hand dirty, man. 'Cause this is your job, you know. So
I have to stir it up like this.
So you literally put the clay in a whole bucket, in a drum,
Right.
half drum.
So when we get the clay, sticks and roots and all those things, so I have to wash it to get out the sticks and
all the debris.
So I have to take
Like
out all
that.
these.
Interest-
Otherwise, when you make on fire, it burn and burn out all those things for the pot.
All right, so do me a favor now. 'Cause I want to give me a quick 30-second rundown of the process. So you wash the clay before we go into the process. So you wash.
Right, I'll give you 30 seconds.
All right, okay.
But I take a lot.
A lot. All right, no problem, man. Tell me. So you wash the clay first.
Yeah. After I wash the clay, I strain it in these.
Yeah, we're gonna come to that.
And then we put it on those. Dry out
The dryer.
excess water. And when it gets hard like those, that is just taken out. Put it inside up there.
And then?
I'm gonna put it inside here. You combine it together, just like how you need flour.
Oh, you need it, yes?
Right, so you don't leave no ear pocket and those things in it.
Ear pocket now.
It's hard to make the pasta.
Alright.
Like these.
Wow, and this is a big one, almost. Well, I could sit down in that one. It's a huge one. And these.
So I start to lay down. I don't use a machine. I don't use a machine.
You don't use a machine?
Nope.
Wow. Oh,
Strictly hand. Everything by hand.
Wow.
Designed by hand, made by hand.
So,
everything by
so
hand.
how you know in terms of the dimension, how you get it that round and...
Well, you just have to use the judgment.
And the judgment come with experience.
Right.
Oh man, you must be one. Okay, so first of all, you must be one. I think you must be one of the few people who in Jamaica who still do this thing, right?
Yeah, you have 1 and 2, but not around here.
Not around here.
I think 1 in Chilani, and you can find 1 or 2 in Kingston.
Man.
But don't make these type big pots like I made.
These pots are giant size, and these are like flower pots.
Everything for flowers.
Okay, but you also say you make pot to cook.
Yeah, if you want, that will be a special order because that would have to make different.
Okay, all right. So I think I interrupt you. Okay, you see, you're telling me the process. So after you design, you use your skill and judgment, and you make the pots like this.
Yeah.
It's still wet, more than likely, right? Still have some
put it
mud.
down to dry.
When
it dry, you take it to the oven down there.
The oven. And we're gonna take a look at the oven. All right. And then.
So after you take it to the oven, you fire it for about a day and a half.
Meaning you literal cooking it.
Fire. No, not cook. You make. I can take.
We're gonna go there. Okay.
Come down here. I have 5 door ports.
5 door.
Yeah, where you catch the fire.
Catch
the fire out here. And you gradually put it on until it reach a certain dimension. You push up the fire. Those are finished product inside there. When I going to take them out now, I take off all this doorway here.
Oh, all of this stuff here. Oh, cool.
Right here.
Oh.
So I have a doorway to go in. So when I'm pack it up back, this now I shut it up. So everything enclosed, man.
Oh, you shut it up.
Yeah, everything enclosed, man. Just the doorway here where the fire go under. And I have some air hole around the oven to let out the smoke out of the oven.
Oh, this is an art. All right, and then after you fire it, then what happens?
Fire it for 2 days. Then you make it stay for the next day and a half.
To cool.
Then you take it down.
And then that the pot ready.
Then the pot ready.
Cool. All right, awesome. So this is a skill, an art.
Yeah, this is a
where did you learn about? Where did you learn this thing, Mr. Man?
Well, I just used out of my head.
Nobody, you didn't go to any school?
Nope, not for this.
What are you saying?
No.
All right. How long do these clay pot last?
Well, depend on how people handle them. It can handle them for your life, can last for your lifetime.
Cool.
But depend on how you handle it. All right, now let me tell you a thing. You see, after you put the flowers in this, this absorb water. That's why you see flowers grow so good in these.
Oh.
Because it absorbs the water. So this become more cool in the water in it. So if you after you start to use it, then you take it up by one and with like this. And you have the earth and thing in it. It will break.
Okay.
Because it absorbs the water.
Okay.
So it come a little moisture.
Okay.
As long as you don't hold it by one side and take it up, it serves your life.
Last forever. Wow. This guys clay. What's it called? The clay pot make.
Clay pot.
Pottery.
Yeah, this is pottery.
This is pottery.
Yeah.
All clay pot. Is there a particular type of clay that just?
No.
It just
yes, you have different type of clay. You can just take up and say clay and say clay. Because after it fire, it become soft metal again. Everything burn out. Right.
Oh, so it's soft again.
Right.
Like flour.
Exactly.
Oh, cool.
Exactly.
All right. And this is what you call this thing? I know
this is an oven.
An oven. You make the oven?
Yes, I do.
Man, you skilled, man. Hey, Jamaican have some really skilled people, you know. Are you nobody that teach you how to make the oven?
Nope.
Man.
Everything I make half of my own.
All right. How long are you doing this, Mr.
Maybe over 30 years.
30 years. And now you're looking food?
Yeah, a lot.
You're looking food?
Yes.
All right.
More I'm a little food.
Well, that's good. That's good
More I'm a
to.
little food.
That's good to hear. That's good to hear.
Then all my kids them to school out of it.
Wow, it's a blessing. It's a blessing. I have market where
No, I have market.
you have a market. In
Yes.
Kingston. Yes.
Kingston.
Last year you told me about you got to
All
Kingston.
over Jamaica.
Over the mayor. So you get good support.
Yes, I do.
All right. If what about if people overseas? People are overseas watching now.
Well,
If
I
they're
get one or
interested.
two calls from overseas, but
Yeah.
to go through the process now of the shipping and those things are going to take a lot of time.
Yeah.
And to ship one and those things are now
I have to pack it.
expensive.
I have to pack it properly, and it's
Right.
heavy. It's based on the weight too.
Right, and these
Okay.
heavy.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
So
So we'll have to make some special arrangements and
right, so I
Okay.
don't gradually go
Okay.
overseas. I do mostly local.
mostly local for now.
Right.
All right. So that was the high level process, guys. He's gonna give us a little more detail now.
Open this.
Uh
That whole fridge.
huh.
Just put
Oh, you
this
find
pan-
you for hey, me have an old fridge. Me have an old fridge in the man. You want it?
Just put that on it.
Uh huh. All right. So this process now we are showing us now is the first part is the washing of the clay.
washing.
And again, guys, we're going a little bit more detail with it now.
So I just stir it up like this.
Uh huh.
So the two clay that I mix together, combining together right now.
You mean when you say two clay, what you mean?
That one up there and this one.
So there's two different kind of clay.
Right.
So there's a darker clay and there's a browner clay.
Right.
So is there a reason why you mix it two?
Sometimes some of it have more iron in it.
Okay.
So when you use too much iron, it bursts.
Okay.
When you have fire,
Okay.
so you use some without that amount of iron.
Okay. All right. Good. So this is
So-
washing of the clay. I've never seen anything like this, guys. You wash dirt.
Yes, you.
Essentially, that's what you're doing. You see, you're really getting your hands dirty. But, for
When you
real.
wash it now,
Uh-huh.
I'm just showing you.
Strain it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You see all the rough part?
Yes.
See, some of these are stone, you know.
Okay.
And
Okay.
you would know.
Yes,
Stone
yes,
in the
yes.
clay.
Yes.
If
So
you
you have to
don't
wash.
wash
If you have to sieve it.
Right.
Okay. Cool.
Because if stone in it, when you burn it,
Yeah.
it's stone burn out and leave a hole in the
Oh, that's what you mean. That's what you mean.
Anything in the clay
Yeah.
burn out.
Yes.
And you just have to use just clay.
Yeah. Nice. Meanwhile, guys, Miss Isaiah is busy here helping to pick up the drying the dried ones. That- Okay. Okay. So after so come with you. All right. So hold on, Mr. Isaiah. So after you sieve it, after you sieve it here,
Yeah.
after you sieve it here, the water go down to the bottom. The
No.
liquid, but this stuff you throw away.
Yeah, the rough
So we-
part you throw away.
So where you
like
get the actual the clay now? I the one we sieve down at the bottom of you?
Right.
But
This
water
a
in there?
No, this will stay till tomorrow.
Uh-huh.
And the excess water, the clay sink at the bottom and the excess water come on.
Ah!
We strain off the water
Uh-huh.
and then we put the moisture part on those things.
Oh, to dry.
To dry out the excess water.
Okay. That makes sense. So you put it on the, what you call this now, a bed, clay bed?
Right, clay bed.
So these are clay beds, guys. About a dozen of them here. All right, and you put it to dry, and after it dry, it look like,
When it's hard, when the sun starts to penetrate it, dry out the water, you see it have crack.
uh-huh,
Right. So we take it up when it's hard like this.
uh-huh.
And little harder.
Have a
inside.
look. Okay, cool. Bring it in the factory.
Right, and put it like this. And we knead it up. Just like you don't need to see?
Just like flour.
Just like flour.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Do it
Whoa.
like this
Wow.
until it come like this.
Uh-huh. Oh, you need it. It's a lot of work, Mr. Isaiah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
You can feel the difference at this.
Yeah, man. Well, I have to get my hand dirty now, guys. See there? I never really want, but I can't come at the clay, man, and not touch the thing,
You
man.
see?
Yeah. Yes, and it's soft and smooth and
Right. So
no debris, just really spongy. And then you mold into this.
See what I use for my and these piece of board, just ordinary plywood. Take the clay from here.
Mm-hmm.
Depending on what you're going to make.
Mm-hmm. So you have to pick it up before it dry out. You have to pick it up with the moisture.
Right.
Okay. That's why you were hurrying to pick it up earlier.
Right.
Okay.
Because if it's too hard,
It's not malleable. Yeah.
it's not flexible.
Yes, yes,
Because
yes.
this snow is flexible.
Yes, yes. Cool. So that's how we go rolling ball now.
Right.
Yeah.
This can make any one of these. Can start any one of these.
Let me ask you something. Alright, so so I noticed you were making some little stuff like some little handles and stuff.
Those are the decoration I was making to put on these.
Around the
All
handles.
these going to decorate.
All these gonna be decorated.
Right.
So these are the ones that that are already done, guys. He's gonna decorate them. So show me now, from my visitors, my viewers' perspective, what you do. So this is what you do. You have to knock it.
Exactly. Do it like this.
Wow. Look at that.
So nice.
Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So hold on. You make something already. That's something that could have been a pot, like a dish or something right away.
Right, exactly.
Wow.
Exactly.
That's cool. That's cool. And so this, but how does this turn? How does that turn into this now? How long does it take you, Mr. Isaiah, to make?
To make one, I can't make one of those one time.
How long? Like
You start like 4 pieces, because you can work on one.
Because two the clay is
Because
flexible.
it will fall down, fall back.
Uh-huh.
Because you have to do piece,
Oh.
piece on it.
Don't make it hard.
Ah.
One another.
Yes. Oh, so this is Mrs. Isaiah. You know the thing too much. She can do it too?
Yeah, she can do it.
Wow, Mr. Isaiah. All right. So okay. So I understand. So you make it now and build it up
Right.
vertical, and then you make that dry, and then you go on top of that.
You don't make it dry.
Hard, stiff
Hard.
enough to hold
Oh.
another piece on it.
Ah.
So you shape it, that's how you put on a piece.
Ah. Watch out, the man. I've all. What is that now?
This is
Sponge.
Sponge.
tool.
So you sponge it to smooth it.
Exactly. This is
Nice, nice.
My tool is just natural cloth
Yes.
or rag.
Yes,
Anything
yes.
Like that. Old
This is
slippers
also-
bottom.
Slippers bottom. Oh, slippers bottom.
Right.
So, we use the slippers bottom. Oh, so like to smooth it out.
Smooth it,
Exactly.
Okay, cool. You guys are so creative, man.
Alright, just so go and make a little sauce.
Uh-huh. We're learning how to pot. What do you call it? Pottery.
Yeah.
You know your job. Yeah. Well, let me watch him do this. Wow, man, this man is a real artist. Whoa, and that's just a piece of cloth.
Exactly.
Wow. Whoa. Look at that, Bridget.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Man. This man is a genius at what he does. Guys, what do you think about this? Come on, share a comment, share a like or something. This man is amazing. Look at that. So this now would become the base of a pot.
Right. You even can make it to a bowl to eat out of.
Yeah. And it would, okay, a bowl to eat out of.
Yep.
Yeah, that would be a nice one for me, man. See? A nice size.
Is the case that you see all those dish and thing making
Yeah.
teacup. But
Yeah.
want them just glaze them to make them
Look so
shiny.
smooth and nice.
Whoa.
so easy.
Easy. Yeah, but alright, so we said that, but it comes a lot of experience, so.
Exactly.
The average man can't just run come in here like
No,
me and take,
no.
and take 5 minutes as you did a while ago and make
No.
something like that.
No. Because you can make it and it just tear down.
Yes. Wow, this is talent, eh? This is talent. Alright. So after you do that, you put this to dry.
Put them
Well, to cook. Well, not to dry, but to
to dry.
You have to dry it.
You have to dry.
yeah. Well, no, but you have to put more on top of it.
No.
No man, that
This
is a
finish.
complete something.
This is a complete something.
No, but like if you're making this pot though,
Yes,
Right.
man.
You know, go enjoy.
you can't make it dry.
Can't make it dry.
So you put more on top of it and
Continue.
So it's
Okay.
hard and shape it
So
into
you
what you
make,
want.
you put it down for 5 minutes,
Uh-huh.
20 minutes or so till it get hard to how you want it.
Yes, yes.
And you
Piece
continue.
and it.
Wow. This
Piece
is
and
solid.
shape and
All right. So right now you have all of these beautiful pieces here in the little factory here, guys. This is the decoration around it.
Right.
These are some. By the way, these are some other decorations that you have.
So those are the decorations that you can.
These are the decorations that will go on the side of it. These are handles here. Okay, so I can see and appreciate how you made the handle.
right.
Yeah, I can just based on what you did a while ago, I can see that. So what are these little things like what do you call them? Like not donut, but
Oh.
where you put those?
These are handles. Okay.
Handles
You
as
see like
well?
how the handles see there?
Oh, like this one here. I like this
Okay.
handle.
Yeah, you,
Ah.
so you put on this first and then you put this on it.
So where do you put this? Where do you put this one?
This one?
No,
right?
no.
This one?
This
Where
looks
to-
like a handle, but that circular one. Show me how you would. There. Oh,
And they
oh.
just stick
So that
it
is the
right.
piece. That's where you put.
Yep.
Ah. I see. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that.
See, it's still flexible.
Yes. And then you drop that piece on there.
Done right. So it can't too tough. If it's too tough,
Yes.
you won't
On hole.
hold on it. It's gonna dry up.
Look at this man work. Oh, man, that's cute. Ah. That's a complete pot. This is a flower pot, a big flower pot.
Right.
Wow. This is amazing stuff. Man. That's it. That's the handle. You typically use one handle or two?
Two. And next one I'm going to come right around here.
So okay. But you don't, so they use them to lift it up?
Yes.
So you have that strength?
Yes, they can.
Have that strength?
Yeah.
Everything comes in, you know. So now
Oh.
pop out and break off because it come right
Yeah.
through. So it come right
Yeah.
through here.
Yeah.
It won't break off.
Oh,
Because you might use the clay to build it on.
yes.
It just
Yeah.
stick on.
I was saying to you that your job is an honorable job, you know. Your job was mentioned. Christ was
Yeah. The pattern.
the potter, you know. They call the potter. There was a metaphor there. The Christ was called the potter. How he mold the clay, mold us as the clay in his
yeah.
likeness. So you have an honorable job, man.
Yeah.
You have to eat bread. That's a beautiful thing. Alright, so this is a potter, guy. For those of who don't know what a potter is, this is the job of a potter. And he's right here in Jamaica in a place called St. Elizabeth.
Yes. St. Elizabeth,
Brampton, St. Elizabeth. Oh man. The potter. Complete pot. This can hold probably about 10 gallons, eh?
This one.
No, hold on. 3 gallons. No, 5 gallons?
4, 5.
Both
5 gallon? No man, more than 5 gallon. The jug of 5 gallon. Oh, so probably about 6 gallon, probably. 6 gallon. But you don't normally put water in them.
No,
No.
I just feel flowers.
Flowers. So when you put the flowers in here though, tell me, how you would put sand in there or something or what?
Dirt, man.
Dirt.
Oh, dirt. Okay, dirt.
Dirt.
Okay, dirt.
People gonna put like fire coal and wood chip for planting.
Ah,
bananas and
oh,
orchids.
okay.
You have certain pieces they're not planting and then they just
Uh-huh.
use them as species.
Yes, put it in your house
and
and
them in the garden,
Yeah.
just put down and they look
uh,
so fantastic.
and you said it can last a lifetime if you take care of it.
If you
Yes,
take
man,
care of
if you take care of it.
Wow.
Just like glass and those things.
Alright. Guys, I want to hear your question, guys. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment. I'm gonna by the time you watch this, chances are the video would have gone live, but we promise to get back to your questions to answer any question you have for Mr. Isaiah about pottery or his pottery making. Right, Mr. Mr. Potter, Mr.
Yes,
Isaiah?
yes, I can answer him question.
Yes, man, definitely. This is lovely. This is lovely. I'm learning a lot. I love what I do, you realize, eh?
Yes.
Because I get to learn so much.
And you're very good at it.
And this is Bridget again, guys. So if you miss Bridget, so Bridget, what are you what are you thinking? What are you thinking?
The
Yeah.
only I've seen this made, but with a machine, not like
Okay.
you.
Ah,
That is so great. That is talent.
yeah, that's talent.
He found something he loved
Yeah.
and made it great.
Wow. I tell you, these Jamaicans are special. Eh?
They are.
Oh man.
They use their skill.
Yeah.
How do you make this design? With a tool?
Yeah, I have a tool to make that.
Oh, just like a
Every
little.
design you see, I have a tool to make.
Okay, cool. All right. So let me look at some.
Nothing special, just
Yeah.
normal, ordinary piece of
But you all of this you come up with in your mind, in your head, in your
all
head.
of it. In my head.
Man.
No one ever come on and show me. If
Yeah.
you have anything that you want to make,
Yeah.
just
Yeah.
bring it on.
Yeah. All right. So this is your little store era.
Yep.
All right. So this now, tell me some of the stuff you have here now.
These are some huge pots.
Okay.
Alright, this they call lion side.
Lion size. Lion size.
Lion side.
Lion.
Lion
Oh, you
size.
get. But hold on. So after, no, this is. But after it dry, tough man like rock stone.
I'll fight fire where I show you fire.
Man, guys, this is tough and heavy. Hold on, man. Hold on, man.
Alright.
Hold on a second, guys. I see something that I love here.
Oh, cashew.
Oops, cashew. Yo, you know me love cashew in the boss.
Like-
Cashew. Hey, guys, I love cashew. See here?
Yes.
I love cashew. This is a cashew community as well.
They're so expensive.
Man, we're getting bonus stuff here. This is the cashew. This is the fruit of the cashew, and you see, this is how the cashew grow. By the way, I think I probably need to do a special feature on the cashew business here, and I'm gonna do it. You know.
And the shell is so hard.
Yeah, that's the cashew. That's the fruit. That's the shell. All right. So this is wifey. She's gonna tell us a little bit more about the finished products we have here. So tell me a little about some of the stuff you have here.
Oh, this is a regular planter. All of these are planters.
Uh-huh.
This is the sunflowers.
Uh-huh.
We have
Oh, you put design on there.
Yeah.
Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta.
sunflowers.
So how you get that design on there?
Just as you see, we can make the leaves,
Uh-huh.
press it out, and then you mark them when they are half dry, and you mark them.
But you can just maybe press and put a leaf on it to get the design. Not true.
Yeah, but you still are gonna make something
Unique.
and do something.
Okay, good. Okay, good. What else you have? These are some. Oh, these are some other ones here.
Yes.
But these usually make these giant. It's mostly giant pots you make, man. Huh? Oh, this is a stand here too.
Yeah.
Pedestal,
No, this is a pot as well. We have small ones.
This is a pot.
Yes,
this
it's
thing
a
here?
pot, but it's upside down. This is a pot and another pot on it.
Oh, I see.
Yes, and we have small size one. We do for everybody's size, you know.
Okay.
See
All right.
here?
Uh-huh.
We do for everybody's size.
Okay. Okay. Good. So this is all floral pots.
Yeah.
Okay,
All
cool.
for flowers. There's all type of plants.
Uh-huh.
that people
And
choose.
these are all tough. You put them in it.
Yes, man. After they bake, that's how they are gonna.
Oh, cool.
Right.
Cool. Oh, this is similar to what he showed me earlier.
Right.
Yeah.
Definitely. So.
Oh, cool.
Those are like my cardboards. Now we used to pack the truck, pack the vehicle,
Uh-huh.
the cardboard and so forth. We
Yes.
used packing for
Okay, good.
traveling with them.
Good. Okay, so here's another one, another nice
Right,
design.
another design.
Okay, cool. All right, let's go outside and take a
Every
look.
size to every person.
Uh-huh.
When you have the holes like this in this pot,
Yeah, they are vandals. For vandals,
Verandas.
yeah, vandals. That's
What do you call Fandas?
Vanda pot, an orchid, you know.
Orchid. Oh.
Orchid, so you have one with a lot of roots.
Oh, that's what you
So
mean.
the roots come out through them, right?
Oh, that's what you mean. Okay, so
Yeah,
these are the
because
ones that the
they
roots
love
come out.
They love the
Roots
roots to
come-
expand.
Oh, that's what you mean. That's what you
Right,
mean.
they love the root to come out all over. That's
Yes.
how they
that's
grow.
pretty.
Good.
Right.
Oh, awesome. Mr. Isaiah here is continue his molding of this.
And handle the finish. cleaning
Yeah,
up,
yeah.
the handles.
Yeah, cleaning up. And it's very malleable now. I notice it's spongy.
Right.
In and out. Okay. Alright. And it's just a piece of stick him used to.
Just a piece of stick.
Yeah, to do that. Cool. Alright.
And it's almost like when someone is building their house, you know, they have to sponge and
Yes.
smooth it down to get it
So it's a lot of work.
rendered.
It's a lot of work.
Yes, it's a lot of work.
Yeah.
Lots of work. Because you have to use wood, you know.
Yeah.
To make them, you see what wood is there?
Alright, so as we talk about the wood, let's go and take a look at outside again. Mr. Isaiah, come with us.
Yes.
Alright.
It's hard
But,
work.
yeah, it is a lot of work. So these are the clay beds you said.
Yes.
That's the clay beds, guys, clay beds. This is where you pour the wet material
wet.
on to get it dry.
To drain it out, that
drain-
you can get it
Yeah, and that
hard
lasts,
enough to work.
and typically 2 days a day.
No man, sometimes it's like we have good weather now. When
Ah.
it's rainy, maybe I'll next week before what you want it
Ah.
today. dry. When we have like good day like today, maybe 4 or 5 days, a portion take up. So that's why you have so many boards too.
Yes. And you cover it up.
In the night or from rain.
Oh, okay, so you cover it from rain.
And you don't want if rain going out, you don't get soft.
Yes.
And wash it out. So you have to cover it. Right?
All right. So and those boards now what?
Oh, those are the woods that we use to bake them. It took a lot.
To bake them?
Yes.
What do you mean to bake them?
To bake them.
Oh,
in
the fire.
oven,
The fire.
yes.
Oh, you mean
where they
okay.
bake,
The
right.
fuel for the fire.
Right.
Okay.
That is the wood we use.
Okay. All right.
Yes.
And this is the clay here. So come up here a second. This is like, well, this is like regular dirt to me.
What we do, we mix this. We have a party mix here where we use. So we mix the clay. We use two substances we use. Two sets of clay. We have to, because sometimes one of the clay is too rich. So you have to use another one to cut it down.
Okay.
Yeah,
You know, we have a lot of this clay where I'm from.
Together.
So I can sell some, I can do some business, man. Eh?
Depends on where it goes. We always look in clay because we have like, they were digging somewhere out the road, and so we take up some of these. We tested these, wet them, soak them, and do some of these work. So
okay, so you use some of the, so this is two kind of clay. So this is one clay here.
Yes.
One clay here, and this is another. This is
another.
Yeah, I see both of them.
And then we have
like
a
this.
black one now.
Yeah, and you notice this, guys.
Yes, that is a part of it.
Yeah,
The
but
one in the bag is a dark one now, so we combine everything together.
yeah, to give you a nice different
Yes,
mix.
wash and strain. Beat them now, it's so smooth and nice.
Yeah. So you actually always looking for clay, you say, but you don't need.
My husband, he must look. He always a shop around. But
To
I
find
better clay is there, better
Yes,
clay.
always trying to find better quality.
Yes.
Oh man, this, you know, I was saying to Bridget coming down that there's so much in this country
That we can.
do, turn our hand to make fashion with.
Yeah.
We're talking about the abundance of fruits. We have moringa, we have pimento, we have almond, we have mango,
Guinea,
breadfruit, guinea, sweet sap, cashew here.
Yes,
Cashew here. We're gonna talk about cashew after. Remind me.
Yes.
Man, we have so many things. Plum,
Okay.
and a lot of our products are considered for the best, some of the best quality in the world.
Right.
Right? I was told because Jamaica came out of a volcano and because of the nutrients or whatever that came out of that. But honestly, Jamaica's products are some of the best in the world.
Yes,
and so there's so much we can do with what we have.
Yes.
Aki. I didn't even mention Aki.
Yes, okay.
And all of them other stuff.
Yeah,
Right?
because I can remember when the COVID started, because it gets so slow on us.
Yeah.
And we decided, not him never wanted it. We said, okay, we're going to sell mangoes because it come right out in the mango crop.
Yeah.
And we just get some bucket and sting and we just say,
Mango
tree.
Right.
And we start by.
Wow.
And we head in a Montego Bay.
Yeah.
And we close down.
Yeah.
And then I say, boy, work hard in the mango to climb the tree and so forth.
Yeah.
And we say, oh, all right, what we gonna do? And we start to go to the bush now and look some stick and we start make broom.
Wow. He made the broom too?
Yeah. He
My
makes
God.
broom.
Man.
Yeah, we make broom. Sometimes we get somebody help him and we do broom. So sometimes we there, like every 2 weeks we do a load of broom. And then during the week, 2 times per week we do mango. And we're doing something till...
Eat your food.
Yeah, we go and eat food
But, this,
and pay
you know,
bill.
but you know what is coming to me too? You're like a nice wife too, you know. You're very supportive wife. That's true, Bridget.
Yeah.
Man, that's it.
From
Yeah.
day one.
So really and truly, we're not supposed to be hungry because there's so much we can turn our hand to make fashion.
Definitely.
All right. So the message is out. The message is out, guys. We're not supposed to be hungry here.
We're
All right.
supposed to hungry in Jamaica.
Yeah, man. All right. Hit the like button for that if you agree with us. All right. So next door. So these are the fuel. Let's look quickly at back at we went there earlier. The fire, the oven. We went to the oven earlier. So guys, this is the fuel, the wood we use, and this is kind of just waste wood, right, from the mill.
Right.
Yeah.
Sometimes we have to look round wood though. We have to go in the bush and get the stuff for wood too.
And the tougher
Because
one.
sometimes you can't get these, so we have to go in the hills ourselves and cut them down like those pieces.
Oh, these big pieces, this chunk here.
Yes.
All right.
If it's too breezy, that alone, those alone won't do. Those now you use those for the blaze of the fire.
The blazing, okay.
These now to keep the heat.
All right, so this is the fireplace.
Yes.
This is the fireplace made with the hands of Mr. Yeah, he did mention that they have several vents that he push the fire in.
All of them, light, all of them go round.
All of them go round.
Yes.
Okay. And then he put okay, so let's continue round.
Yes.
So you have another vent here that's covered.
Yes.
Another one here.
So we
Another one here.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is where you just push the wood on
But you have to do them slowly.
Yeah.
So maybe hour by hour you're gonna put up the fire. I think it
Oh.
take maybe 9 or more hours, you know.
Okay, and it's another vent here make something.
Yeah, these are our spot check. So when they
Spot check.
Yeah, we would take time to pull out.
And look.
And
Oh, let me peep.
But if it light, you would see them.
Okay,
But
okay,
now,
cool.
You see the pot.
Ah,
So
cool.
you can see when the fire start coming up there.
Yes. And then more holes here.
This is another one as well.
Another hole here. Okay, good. And you have a step. Wait, so what is the step for? You used to go at the top?
He had a thing there up the top. And so after a while, he would open it that the smoke can go up. After everything is the fire catch inside, the inside it had the fire, he go up and close it down.
Oh, okay.
To trap the
heat.
flame inside.
Okay.
Right.
So,
This is how we go.
so this, alright, so this is a fireplace. And then we're looking again at the, so you have to know how much fire to put in there, right?
Right.
Not too much, not too little. So you would have experience with that teach him. So you can put in stuff and then all your pot them burn up, right?
No,
Potential.
They wouldn't burn up. But you can put in pot and you are there steaming them gradually. And you hear something bust like a gunshot and you would say, what is that? Sometimes the breeze blow the fire too early up. Something burst. Sometimes all 6 we lose one time, you know.
Whoa. That's what I'm saying. So it's an art.
Yes.
It's an art. It's not as easy as people might take it look.
Whereas if you force them, if you force them
time.
or you have a bad clay then.
Yeah.
Because the clay can have too much temper and they just burst up.
Temper?
Yes, the clay can be too rich.
Okay.
Too rich.
Okay.
So after you put them in, the quality is not 100 and it's too rich. You hear them fire like a gun.
Pow!
A piece tear off there and a piece, so then just burst up.
Okay. So let me ask, come back here again. So this is, so there's some, so the fire's under here.
Right.
And then there's
like some grill. So
some grill, okay.
Right.
There's
So
some
they
grill.
are on that.
It's a grill on here. Okay, good.
To get it to hold,
To
you
put
gotta pack.
And you put more stuff on top. How do you get them under here?
No, these are movable stuff.
Oh, okay.
So that's why I'm telling you, it's a lot of work. And you see all of these iron have to take out at each time.
Yeah.
So we put it go right here. So we move out all of these. So we take off these first. Then we take off these, take out these irons. And go down to take out. Straight down.
Man.
But to get it whole now, you have to creative.
Yes.
So we make our own, remove the shelf.
Well, if you guys can do what you're doing, trust me, I mean, it's a very creative.
Yes.
Very creative. Okay. So this is an example of a pot that you start to fire it, as you call it, and it pops.
Yes, it's
Breaking the oven. And you do nothing else with it.
No,
You have to just leave it. So that's all of that hard work for whether a day or 2 or 3, whatever number of days. That's it.
That's the only thing you don't do one, so you know hurt you that much.
Yes.
Because sometimes you may do 6 pieces and you lose 1 or 2 pieces, so you don't even worry about it.
Okay.
Right, definitely.
I mean, I already asked him what he would say to the young people. I mean, what is for you, Miss Isaiah? I'll call it Miss Isaiah.
No problem.
What is your biggest learning from this little business? Because you've been with Mr. Isaiah for a while, I'm pretty.
Yes, man, over 30 years.
Good. So you've been with him from inside the business?
I come see him doing it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What amazes you most, or what you're learning or take away from all of this, what you guys are doing here?
Well, in business and in most of things like these, not to give up, because earlier back in the days, even when I'm having my children, the money, you would make a little money, but it would be like hand to mouth those days. But sometimes if you just keep hanging on to what you're doing, you know, believe in yourself, better must come one day. And it's worth it.
It's worth it.
It's worth it.
Bless
I
you.
finished, almost, not quite finished growing off my children. One living in school now, one is at not you with the other one there.
UTech.
UTech. He started off last year. But all girls, you know, not coming.
How many
here.
girls?
4 girls.
Oh, I have 3 girls, you know. I was hoping for a boy, but
yes.
So nobody to take up the thing after.
Nobody.
Oh.
I just it's just a month since I get 1 grandson. So I have big size granddaughter now, but no, just one little bit 1 month grandson. So he not come here.
You sure? You sure? He might surprise you, you know? He might surprise you because by the time he start with him, he probably start using the technology and and so forth. Because right now it's just, as Bridget saying, she's familiar with it, but it's with machine.
The machine, we have one. We have a machine, but it only can hold like 25 pounds. You see the type of potty bill? Far way more than 25
A
pounds.
serious weight, man.
So the machine won't work for us. So we no bother
That's a lot of
use
work.
it.
That's a lot of work, though. To
Yeah.
build pots like that, not true?
Of course it is. It's
And
a
it's
lot
a
of
bit-
work. But he's good. Me don't know, because even when sometimes I might help him to make some the sauces like what you see me, the little base. When I go around it here, because some I stagger like
heavy, heavy.
because no man the spinning.
Yeah.
I don't like the spinning.
Oh, that's what you mean.
But him, I don't know. He's
do it.
God sent.
Yeah.
He's special.
He's special.
He's special.
Well, he's gonna watch your video. He's gonna hear you say that to her. You know, he's not here. What else you want to say to him? Say it, man. Say when you watch your video.
He's blessed. Yes, he's blessed. Yes, he's blessed.
All right, good. All right,
Yeah.
wonderful, wonderful. This is
Whoever
awesome.
say God make you special,
Yeah.
well, he's one of them.
All right, I have a question. What makes Jamaica special in your mind? What makes Jamaica special? Bridget is here on vacation.
Yeah, a lot of things. Things like these. Jamaica have a lot of, what you call it now?
Talent.
Talented persons.
Oh,
Yes, even the other day I was checking, my brother has two sons now who's running.
athletics.
What the school name again?
GC Foster.
No, that one down near KFC there, so.
Where? In Santa Cruz.
In Mobile, man, Mobile.
The school.
Where he had two sons are running.
Running. You mean athletics running?
Right. And they are doing well now.
Come pre.
No,
Mount Alvernia.
Where they wear the reddish, the burgundy red.
Oh, Herbert Morrison.
Herbert Morrison.
Oh, okay,
And he
okay.
was just sending me some video, and me I say, I was like saying, me say, oh, in our family it's there now.
Yes,
Yeah,
good,
and
good.
they are doing good. They go overseas and run and bring back the trophy last week.
Oh, well. Oh, the pen relays and stuff.
Right.
Oh,
Where
good.
they go overseas last week, Monday,
Yeah.
last weekend, and they
Pennsylvania,
came back.
you know.
Right.
Bridget.
Yes.
You
and
know
I
about
was,
that?
well, I
Jamaica,
was
yeah, man,
just-
every year Jamaica dominate pen relays,
Yes,
you know.
man.
Yeah, man, Jamaica does exceptionally well in athletics.
Yeah.
I knew running.
Yeah.
Yes, one is Mark
Yeah.
Daly and another one Andre.
Oh, man.
And I feel so proud. I say, oh God, we are blessed and evermore. Only one
Yeah.
problem, just the crime.
Yeah. So we
Just
need,
that,
we need to appreciate what we have here and realize
Yes.
that we have everything we need.
Definitely so.
And use the talents, God-given talents.
Yes, and
All
it's
right.
here. It is here so
It
much.
is here. All right.
is
Thank you so
here.
much,
You're
Mr.
welcome.
Isaiah. What's your last name?
My first name is Artune
Isaiah is the last name?
Stevens.
Oh, so
him name Isaiah.
No, I know. So it's Isaiah Stevens.
Stevens,
Okay, so you're
right.
Miss Stevens.
Right.
I call him Miss Isaiah, but you
Yes,
know.
no problem. Most
All right,
persons
guys.
call me that.
All right,
Yeah.
love it. And just before we go, I have a little surprise for Bridget.
I love surprises.
I have a little token for you as my subscriber.
Aw,
The first
sweet.
person, actually, the first subscriber I know who actually came here on a video with me. So I want to big you up. Come share it. Show them what you have. Let me see let me see if you know what you got. Let me see.
Oh, turmeric powder.
Turmeric, yes,
That's
turmeric.
in curry, right? They use it for curry.
You use it for yeah. It's a key ingredient in curry, but it by itself it's a potent antioxidant as well.
Anti-inflammatory,
Yes,
right?
yes, all kind of stuff.
Ooh.
Yeah, so that's what. What else?
Very
you
nice. Oh, it says all antioxidant. Yes, regulates mood,
Yeah.
your complexion, blood sugar, joint pain,
Uh
many things.
huh. What else you got? Let me see.
Oh, allspice, pimento.
Pimento, old time Jamaican pimento. Yes.
Yes, that's a good
Yeah, man.
seasoning.
Yes. And it also can be used in teas now, you know. I learned as well. Teas, yeah.
Boil it.
Yeah.
Very nice. Let's see this one. And of course the
Old
chocolate
time
tea.
chocolate tea. We got Mr. Atkinson.
He made it.
Yes, Mr. Atkinson. Remember that video?
Yes.
There's a link in the description as well for that one, guys. So, all yours.
Beautiful.
Enjoy.
Thank you. I
Welcome again to Jamaica.
I had
And I
such
hope
a
to
good
see you
time.
again, my friend.
You will.
All right.
will.
Good.
I like this so much.
So, Miss Isaiah, I call her. Amazing stuff you and your husband are doing. If people are interested in getting some of your products, but especially local people here, how can they get in touch with you?
Oh well, they can call our business is called Isaiah Unique Clay Pots. The number is 425-6366. The other number is 217 7214.
Alright. Alright, 876 guys. So if you want, so definitely reach out to Isaiah's. I call him the Isaiah's. Isaiah is actually the first name of the husband. But I like it. It's a Bible name.
Yes.
So reach out to them and give them some strength, give them some support, man. And please, if you love this video, share it. Share it with someone, man, and inspire someone. This is amazing stuff that they're doing. I think the world needs to know about them. Alright? Do that right now. Wow. That was the Isaiah's, guys. The Potters, humble people here in the rural district of Brampton in St. Elizabeth. Oh man, doing amazing stuff. What do you make of it? I want to hear from you. I really want to hear from you. What do you think about what they do? Share a comment down below. And remember, yes, I do a lot of videos capturing stuff like these. The small people, the real people of Jamaica. And I don't want you to miss any of that. So, if not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to hit that subscribe button right now and tap the bell notification. That way, you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. This is indeed the real Jamaica.